We are going to learn about recognizing business opportunities, which is a very interesting topic from entrepreneurship. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Sania Arif. I am lecturer in Faculty of Management Sciences at the University of Wa. Here we have some of the learning objectives based on the mentioned topic. Number one, define opportunity. Number two, describe the essential qualities of opportunities. Number three, identify and describe ways entrepreneurs use to identify an opportunity. Is any idea coming to human mind is considered as business opportunity? No, this is not the case. Then what is business opportunity? A business opportunity can be defined as a favorable set of circumstances that creates a need for a new product, service, or a business. A favorable set of circumstances means a situation which can be effective for starting a new business, product, or a service. Like we have the example of Zoom during COVID-19 pandemic. We know COVID-19 pandemic was a worst situation for many of the businesses, and we have to close the business operations during this time. But the same circumstance was a great opportunity for Zoom. If we look at the main features or the characteristics of the COVID-19, there was increased demand for remote communication during this pandemic, and there was a strong need for easy and reliable video conferencing tools for work, education, and socializing. That's why most of the educational institutes started using Zoom application for taking online classes. Here we have some of the essential qualities of a business opportunity. The first one is value driven. Value driven means the business opportunity must have the ability to be converted in some product, service, or a business which can add some value to the end user's lifestyle. It might be some improvement in their health. It might be some facility addition into their daily routine. The other quality of business opportunity is timely. That means timing plays a critical role in the success of any entrepreneurial venture, making a timely opportunity essential for effective market entry. An opportunity is considered timely when it aligns with current market conditions, consumer trends, and regulatory changes. In case of any delays, it won't be anymore a business opportunity for any entrepreneurial venture. The third quality of business opportunity is attractive. An attractive opportunity is one that captures the interest of entrepreneurs and investors alike, primarily due to its potential for higher returns and significant market demand. To be attractive, an opportunity must demonstrate clear market demand, indicating that there is a sizable customer base eager for the product or a service. In case of a smaller group of consumers, it would not be considered as attractive for any entrepreneur. Then we have the fourth quality of business opportunity, that is durable. A durable opportunity possesses the qualities necessary for long term success, ensuring that the business can thrive beyond short lived trends. To evaluate durability, entrepreneurs must assess the underlying need and problems that opportunity addresses, focusing on those that are likely to persist over time. Let's discuss the example of BYD, that is a company named Build Your Dreams. In current trends, where everyone is most concerned about the climate change, renewable energy, and decarbonization, such sensitivity and such awareness about the climate change and the environment is a greater opportunity for BYD to produce electric cars, buses, and trucks. Now let's discuss how this current trend is a business opportunity for BYD, having all the four essential qualities. Like value driven, this is the era where electric vehicles ensures cost efficiency, and we know the rate of inflation and the consumers buying power. Of course, they will prefer the cost effective solutions and vehicles. Then it is timely also because it capitalizes on global electric vehicle demand because of the awareness regarding climate change and decarbonization. It is attractive opportunity because of expanding portfolio meets diverse needs in cars, buses, and trucks across emerging and developed markets. It is also durable because of its long-term industry shift to green energy. And all these four essential qualities are enabling BYD to the global leadership. Is there any specific procedure or way to recognize the business opportunity? Yes, we have three different trends, like observing trends. This way is focusing on the change into external factors like economic forces, social forces, technological advancement, and political factors and extra. Like if we take the example of Baikia, we know due to urbanization, people are now most cost effective solution seekers. They want some cost effective solution for their mobility, even if they have to go somewhere which is a congested area to travel. So Baikia is the right option to choose. Then we have another example of Zameen.com. Like Zameen.com has converted the business opportunity, which is a change in technological advancement or technological factor, by including the augmented realities and virtual realities to their business operations to enhance the experience of their consumers. Then we have the example of United Scooty. Now, social forces are changed to some extent, especially when we talk about females. Females are now more empowered and allowed to independently move from one place to the other one by riding their own scooty. So, United Scooty found this social forces change as a business opportunity and introduced the scooties for females. The second way to identify a business opportunity is solving a problem. Like Food Panda. In the era of limited access to quality food and delivery services in urban areas, Food Panda is here to serve its end users. Now, end user can order a food of their choice and can get that food at their doorstep because of Food Panda. So, Food Panda considered this change as or this problem as a business opportunity. Then we have the example of Sensodyne, and I always love to share this example in the third way to identify a business opportunity, which is finding gaps in the market. Like we know, for oral cavity protection, there is a huge number of toothpaste already serving the consumer. Like we have Pepsodent, Medicam, multiple flavors of Colgate, Shield, Parodontax, Pepsodent, and so many other toothpaste which are serving the consumers for their oral cavity protection. But unfortunately, none of them was providing any solution for those who are having sensitivity issues. So Sensodyne found that gap in the existing market and started producing a medicated version of toothpaste as a sensitivity relief. So, this is how businesses can incorporate some trouble or problem or the gap that is not being addressed in current market solution providers. So, it could be a more attractive opportunity for starting a new service, product, or a business. So, in this manner, we can conclude that there are three different opportunities, recognition ways, including observing trends, solving a problem, and finding gaps in the market. Now, I have a question to ask: what current trends can entrepreneurs use to start a successful business today? Thank you so much.